Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube tutorial. So today we are going to draw Mei Lee from Turning Red movie. Let's get started. We will start from first drawing the face. Draw round shaped spectacle. Now inside it, draw eyes. Piggy shaped nose. Now dark the eyebrow. Draw open mouth. Our teeth are visible. Draw cute hair clip for Mei Lee. And now hair time. Just follow me step by step and your character will be ready. When you like the video, please like, share and subscribe and comment in the comment section box. Now we will draw dress of Mei Lee. For that, draw collar, then shirt, to give it a bossy look. Draw hand like this. Top is ready. Now it's time to draw skirt. Now draw legs. From here I have zoomed in to give you a detailed view of her shoes. Our character is ready. Now before coloring it, let me erase some pencil marks. Let's start coloring it. For shading color, I am using cotton bud. You can also use it to get a better picture of your drawing. On the face I am using little bit of red color because it's a turning red movie. So to give it a reddish shade I am using it. When you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell icon so whenever we post a new video you get notified. Thanks for watching.